Actually, there is this
Posible kayang labanan ang agos ng paghamon? Mawala't madapaman, sabay tayong aahon.
Ateneo Leadership Society's mission is to empower youth
Ang tapang salo.
We envision our organization to be a family and a network of student leaders who will be advocates of positive change in our society.
Leadership, I learned how to jump and spread my wings for fun.
Because of leadership, I was able to serve with purpose.
Because of leadership, mas naging klaro sa akin kung ano ang gusto kong gawin para sa bayan ko, para sa Pilipinas. Leadership opened up opportunities that I never knew existed before.
Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible.
Taught me how to serve selflessly without asking anything in return. Mas natuto akong manindigan para sa aking mga pinaniniwalaan.
There's one thing that leadership taught me. It's about assuring myself that there's something greater in store for me.
Posible kayang matikman.
It's not just a dream for myself, but it's a dream for my country, the Philippines.
Sa kagat ng bawat laban, magtatagumpay kang muli. Sulong laban, wag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible. Sulong
Shaper!
I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper. I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper. I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper.
I'm a shaper.